Hi, my name is Eileen Murphy. I'm the founder of ThinkCirca.com, which is a system that allows teachers to coordinate critical thinking in every subject area to help students become more career and college ready. On ThinkCirca.com, students can collaborate with peers in authentic critical thinking in every subject area to deepen their learning and increase their engagement. Our debate-centered framework allows students to annotate, share, and debate each other and make learning more social. Our platform is actually a free set of tools and an assessment library that allows teachers to upload any content and design lessons and deliver them to students, as well as grade and track student progress. However, many teachers will find that the needs and interests of their students are varied, even in one classroom, even when students are tracked. So we're also offering on a subscription basis a lesson library to which schools may subscribe or individual teachers may download lessons so that they can meet the needs and interests of every student every day. I believe that if we have a system that allows teachers to share across the country, which we will, now that we have 46 states who have adopted the same standards, but if we open up this platform and allow good teachers who are doing the most important R&D in classrooms today to share with each other, that collectively those 2 million 6 through 12 teachers have the answer to many of our school reform problems that have to date been unanswered by traditional publishing and traditional professional development. So we want to provide the tools and the content library that helps students engage in critical thinking and help schools and school leaders coordinate that system so that we can actually see outcomes on scale.